Okay, Ken Yolstrom, Marlboro Republican Chair. Your pre-convention, when the Democrats are bringing forth candidates that are, I would consider weak candidates and vulnerable ones, I would point out Susan Bysiewicz. Why in the world do we stand in her way? Why didn't we just let her run? The outcome of the convention, I was just very disappointed as to how the whole thing played out, how we selected our candidates, and I'll go back to the point of when the Democrats bring forward candidates that we think are vulnerable, and even Dodd. I mean, why in the world do we go to the trouble of trying to derail these Democrats before we can face them later on? Why spend money, in case of Susan Bysiewicz, to kill her campaign rather than just let her go and then attack her later?
Hi, Tim Lennox, Meriden, Connecticut, Meriden RTC, Right Principles, Tea Party. We need to increase our voter turnout. Now, one suggestion I have is that we have a lot of people in here in Connecticut getting involved for the first time. We've seen them in the Tea Parties. What we need is to have the Tea Party join us in the Republican Party, which means we need to fill as many of our empty vacancies in our RTCs as possible.
Thank you very much. Neil Nichols, Essex RTC, former candidate for the 33rd Senatorial. The thing that bothers me the most is when we have candidates who are not successful. Too often those candidates turn on their young. It certainly happened this cycle, and it certainly happened across the board. I believe that any candidate who stands for selection at a caucus or a convention should be asked to sign a pledge that if she is defeated, she will stand and support the candidate of the party.
I'm Jerry McMillan from Essex, and I actually wrote this down, but it's 8 minutes, so I'm going to pare it down. I've gotten over the shock of losing, but I'm done with losing. And it seems to me that we contributed to our own losses. I mean, how could so many miss the value of our arguments? How could so many not get it? And how could so many more not care? We owe it to our philosophy to study from the playbook of our opponents. We can use their techniques. We don't have to support their objectives, but we can use their techniques. How you design a piece of literature, how you raise funds, how you communicate, how you get people to a political rally. Those are all the techniques that we need to employ that were the techniques that got our opponents elected.